Welcome to Legit Consumer. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated OM system OM-5 Mark II, a camera designed for photographers and adventurers who demand power, portability, and precision. As the successor to the popular OM-5, this new model brings enhanced image quality, improved stabilization, and advanced features perfect for both photography and videography. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, wildlife, or fast-paced action, the OM-5 Mark II is built to deliver outstanding results. Stay tuned as we explore everything this camera has to offer, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews and the latest camera tech updates. Let's get started. The OM system OM-5 Mark II is shaping up to be a refined and versatile Micro Four Thirds camera, aimed at photographers and videographers who seek a lightweight yet powerful tool. As the successor to the OM system OM-5, this second-generation model is expected to deliver key improvements in image quality, autofocus performance, and video capabilities, making it a compelling choice for travel, wildlife, and adventure photography. Retaining the 20.4-megapixel live MOS sensor, the OM-5 Mark II is likely to introduce an upgraded TruePic X processor, which will enhance image processing speeds, improve noise reduction, and provide better overall dynamic range. This should allow photographers to capture crisp details and accurate colors in both bright and low-light environments. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the OM-5 Mark II is an improved autofocus system. While the original OM-5 featured contrast detection autofocus, the Mark II is rumored to incorporate a hybrid autofocus system with phase detection autofocus, PDAF. This will significantly enhance subject tracking, making it easier to capture fast-moving wildlife, sports, or street scenes. Eye and face detection will also see improvements, ensuring that portraits and candid shots are consistently sharp and well-focused. For photographers who often work in challenging conditions, the OM-5 Mark II is expected to maintain IP53 rated weather sealing, making it dustproof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof. This level of durability ensures that the camera can withstand extreme environments, from humid rainforests to icy mountaintops. A major highlight of the OM-5 Mark II is its renowned 5-axis in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system. The previous OM-5 already offered impressive stabilization, but the Mark II is rumored to enhance this further, potentially achieving up to 7.5 stops of compensation. This feature will be invaluable for handheld shooting, especially in low light or when using telephoto lenses. It will also benefit videographers, allowing them to capture ultra-smooth footage without the need for a gimbal. Speaking of video, the OM-5 Mark II is expected to offer 4K 60p video recording, a notable improvement over its predecessor's 4K 30p limit. This will allow content creators to shoot high-resolution footage with more fluid motion, making it ideal for travel vlogs, documentary filmmaking, and slow-motion effects. Additionally, the camera may support OM-Log 400, providing better dynamic range and flexibility in post-production color grading. Another exciting improvement could be the inclusion of improved live ND, neutral density, filters. The original OM-5 introduced computational ND filters that simulate physical ND filters, and the Mark II is expected to expand upon this by offering more stops of virtual ND filtering. This will be particularly useful for landscape and long-exposure photography, allowing photographers to achieve creative effects without carrying extra physical filters. The OM-5 Mark II may also introduce an improved high-resolution shot mode, leveraging sensor shifting technology to create 50MP plus images, ideal for commercial work or large prints. In terms of ergonomics, the OM-5 Mark II is expected to retain a compact, travel-friendly design while introducing a more refined electronic viewfinder, EVF, with higher resolution and better refresh rates. A fully articulating touchscreen LCD will likely return, making it perfect for vlogging, selfies, and composing shots from difficult angles. Additionally, the camera is expected to feature dual SD card slots, providing redundancy for professionals who need reliable data storage. On the connectivity front, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 are likely to be included, ensuring faster file transfers and improved remote control functionality via the OM System smartphone app. USB-C charging with power delivery, PD, support is another anticipated upgrade, allowing users to recharge the camera on the go using power banks or laptops. Battery life has always been a consideration for compact mirrorless cameras, and the OM-5 Mark II is rumored to feature a slightly larger battery or better power efficiency, offering extended shooting times. This will be a welcome improvement for photographers who spend long hours in the field capturing wildlife or documenting their travels. Price-wise, the OM System OM-5 Mark II is expected to be positioned in the $1,300 $1,500 range, keeping it competitive with other Micro Four Thirds and APS-C cameras. It will compete directly with models like the Fujifilm X-T5, Sony a6700, and Panasonic Lumix GH6, offering a blend of portability, rugged build quality, and high-performance imaging capabilities. In summary, the OM System OM-5 Mark II is set to be a powerful and compact camera designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. With an improved autofocus system, enhanced IBIS, 4K 60p video, better battery life, and a rugged weather-sealed body, it will be an excellent choice for adventure photographers, vloggers, and hybrid content creators. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-moving action, or cinematic videos, the OM-5 Mark II aims to deliver exceptional performance in a lightweight package, staying true to OM System's reputation for innovation in Micro Four Thirds cameras. Thank you for joining us as we explored the OM System OM-5 Mark II. With its advanced image stabilization, improved autofocus, and rugged yet lightweight design, this camera is a powerful tool for photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-moving wildlife, or everyday adventures, the OM-5 Mark II is built to deliver exceptional results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about this new release. Also, be sure to subscribe to Legit Consumer and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest camera reviews, tech insights, and expert recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.